Alright, so got my stringers glassed in, and about to put glass on the transom piece here. I've got a couple pieces cut up and ready to go. And we've got these steel plates that will sit on top of the stringers. So I'm going to cut a notch essentially, so these will fit in there. And what else? That's pretty much it. We gotta pawn these in, and it's like supposed to be 55 degrees today, so these should dry fairly quickly. I'm gonna have glass at the end of the day on the top of these, and all laminated in along with the transom here. So that's kind of what's going on this morning. I gotta mix up a whole bunch more of this this filler I mixed up, and a little bit of color to put over the resin. Fun stuff.